Longevity and biohacking. 7 proven tips to stay healthy and live longer naturally. Welcome to Salimat's Holistic Health. Today, we're diving into an exciting and transformative topic, longevity and biohacking. In this video, we'll explore simple yet powerful techniques to help you live longer, healthier, and more vibrant lives using science-backed biohacks. Stay tuned. What is longevity and biohacking? Longevity isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about making those years healthier and more fulfilling. Biohacking refers to small, strategic interventions in your lifestyle and biology to enhance physical and mental performance. Think of it as optimizing your body and mind using science and nature. Imagine not just surviving, but thriving throughout your age to 100. Biohacking holds the key to unlocking this potential. Top biohacks for longevity. Intermittent fasting. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process where your cells renew themselves, reducing aging effects. Try the 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. Optimize sleep. Sleep is your body's natural recovery mechanism. Use tools like blackout curtains, white noise, and magnesium supplements for deeper rest. Cold exposure? Cold showers or ice baths improve circulation, boost immunity, and increase longevity proteins like adiponectin. Nutrient-rich diet. Focus on superfoods. Blueberries, turmeric, leafy greens, and fatty fish. These fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Exercise smart, not hard. High-intensity interval training and strength training are excellent for maintaining muscle mass and cardiovascular health. Supplement wisely. Essential supplements: vitamin D, omega-3, and resveratrol. A healthcare professional should be consulted before implementing any new routine. Emerging technologies in longevity. Cutting-edge biohacks include: utilize wearable devices to track sleep patterns and variations in heart rate. CRISPR gene editing for potential life extension. Cryotherapy for reducing inflammation and boosting recovery. Many of these innovations are available now, despite their futuristic sound. The future of health is here, and it's within your grasp. The importance of mindset and meditation. A positive mindset is a powerful biohack. Regular meditation and gratitude practice reduce stress, a major aging accelerator. Start with 10 minutes daily, using guided apps like Calm or Headspace. Longevity is not a distant dream. By integrating these biohacks into your daily routine, you can add vibrant years to your life. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's grow a community that thrives together.